Hey guys, thanks for joining us tonight. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1984 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. It's finished in black with tan interior, 15,000 original miles. The client also has this Riviera, gorgeous buckets, 57,000 miles. Nicest one I've ever seen. And this Caddy is phenomenal. These cars come loaded. I just opened up the owner's manual. It has everything in there from when it was new. Runs and drives perfect. Got a Continental kit on the back. It's removable. It also came with chrome straps around the trunk. And the chrome buckles. I'll show that to you in a moment. Originally from Ocean Cadillac Pontiac. We live in Connecticut, not too far from here. This car is phenomenal. Let me fire it up for you. Gorgeous interior. $15,750 miles. Automatic climate control, cassette. It is just fantastic. Digital display, tilt, telly wheel, cruise, wipers, power windows, locks, mirrors. Mirrors are remote. Check out this documentation we got. Original owner's manual. Card from the original Salesman. Service protection card. Everything that came with this car new. Gold key delivery system. There's cool stuff here too. There's record maintenance schedule. Cool stuff. Just gonna pause you for a second. There she is. Got the 4100 under the hood. Pristine condition. Injected. Absolutely beautiful. New battery, cutoff switch. Man, look at this. Beautiful. Look at the shielding down there. Brand new. Comfortable car. Coupe DeVille is my favorite. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 150 or so photos I took today. WeebyAutos.com. Thanks a lot.